I'm Dr. Archana. I am a practicing general obstetrics and gynec consultant in Mysore. This FRM course is a hybrid course. It consists of extensive online training modules that happen every week. We have live training classes which are very interactive, where we can ask all our questions, and they are conducted weekly without fail. The advantage is that the recording of these classes are available for our review just in case we are not able to attend a class for any particular reason. Apart from that, we are given regular assignments which we have to complete, which helps us stay in track with the vast syllabus that is there, that has to be covered over a span of 1 year's time. Apart from that, there are also online modules that are provided which cover all the topics in detail, and they are also followed up with certain assignments and questions, which makes the concept very clear to us. Apart from that, we also have the simulation training. The simulation training is excellent with real scenario-like models that help us learn oocyte retrieval as well as embryo transfer very well. There are also models for intrauterine insemination as well as hysteroscopy that provide almost a real lifelike experience with these procedures, giving us the confidence that we need to start our reproductive medicine career. Apart from that, there is also a clinical attachment that we can do at Kamini Rao Madam's Hospital over here in Bangalore, and learn from the experts as to how we should approach every case, the science of medicine as well as the art of medicine that we can see from the experts themselves, and learn how to be better at our jobs. Even if the plan is not to start our own centers, definitely it helps us to see, learn and unlearn certain concepts that we have learned before and know better about reproductive medicine. And definitely it has made a difference in my day-to-day practice, and now I know how to approach patients better and make a scientific reasoning as to what treatment would suit them the best. So I'm very grateful for this program. Dilip sir took class for us offline in the program, and it was extensively covered. Andrology part and the embryology part was discussed in a way that will give you a fresh perspective about everything. And thank you, Kamini Rao Madam. Shantala Madam, the classes are excellent, which clear the concepts for us very beautifully. And all the faculty, they teach very well. Thank you to them as well.